Joint Information Center at saka para po magsimula ito, no, katatapos lang kasi noong ating pagpupulong kasama ng ating mahal na Pangulo at saka ng ating NDRMC Chair Secretary Gilberto Sudoro Jr. Ganun din yung aming Office of the Civil Defense Administrator Yusek Harold N. Cabreros. At para po sa unang mga updates po, ibibigay ko po sa inyo si ASIC Rafi Alejandro, ang aming Civil Defense Deputy Administrator.
Yes, good morning po sa ating lahat and welcome again to the OCD or NDRMC Operation Center. At ngayon po ay magbibigay kami ng updates, no, as to the progress of our monitoring dito sa Tropical Cyclone 1, no. So again, just this morning the NDRMC briefed the President on the current situation. Kaya kanina po ay nagpulong ang NDRMC at nagbigay tayo ng updates sa ating Pangulo, no? And giving him the situation on the ground and what we are currently doing. So the storm right now is out of landmass. Meron na lang mga scattered rains ang ma-experience ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na dito sa Central and Northern Luzon. So, yung mata po ng bagyo ay wala na po sa kalupaan, but the typhoon is still within the Philippine area of responsibility as we speak, no? So, just to give you an update, as of this morning, a total of 426,000 or approximately 1.4 million individuals were preemptively evacuated in regions CAR 1, 2, 3, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, 5, 6, NIR, 7, and 8.